John here, shoreline fishing, and I wasn't going to go fishing today, but the clouds parted and a voice came down saying, "Boy, catch me some fish at the pond." Gotta listen to the fishing gods, so hopefully it's not a joke. So anyway, obviously that was a joke, but I'm fishing Womon jig head on bobber, so let's get to it. Let's fish. First fish of the day, little sunny. Nice little sunny for number 2. Another nice little sunny. Another little sunny. But it's lots of fun, that's all that matters. I'm having lots of fun. So there's another nice little fish. Fish are a few in between and far apart, but hey, you know what? I'm having fun still.